Question. Let A, B, C, D be a quadrilateral if E and F are the midpoints of the diagonal AC and BD respectively, and vector AB minus vector BC plus vector AD minus vector DC is equal to K into vector FE. The K is equal to option A 4, option B minus 4, option C minus 2, option D 2. Solution. Let the position vector of A be A vector A, position vector of B vector B, position vector of C be position C, position vector of D be vector D. Okay. A, C, E, F. Let position vector of A is equal to vector A, position vector of B is equal to B, position vector of C is equal to C equal to vector C, position vector of D is equal to vector D. Therefore, position vector of midpoint E, position vector of midpoint E is equal to A plus C by 2, and position vector of F is equal to B plus D by 2. Now, A vector AB minus vector BC plus vector AD minus vector DC equal to K into vector FE. Therefore, vector B minus vector A minus vector C minus vector B plus vector D minus vector D minus vector A minus vector C minus vector D equal to K into A vector A plus C by 2 minus vector B plus D by 2 implies vector B minus vector A minus vector C plus vector B plus vector D minus vector A minus vector C plus vector D equal to k by 2 into vector A plus vector C minus vector B minus vector D implies vector 2b plus 2 vector 2d minus vector 2a minus vector 2c is equal to k by 2 into vector A plus vector C minus vector B minus vector D implies 2 into vector B plus vector D minus vector A minus vector C is equal to k into A plus C minus B minus D 2 यहाँ डिवाइड में था तो इधर गया मल्टीप्लाई हो गया या -4 इंटू वेक्टर A प्लस वेक्टर C माइनस वेक्टर B माइनस वेक्टर D इज इक्वल टू k इंटू वेक्टर A प्लस वेक्टर C माइनस वेक्टर B माइनस वेक्टर D देयरफॉर k इज इक्वल टू -4 therefore answer is equal to option B.